Want another recipe on the shelf? This is Barbacoa pork, Cafe Rio copycat recipe. Just make it as it is online. Put it in pints and pressure cook for 75 minutes or quarts for 90 minutes. And there's another meal in a jar. Awesome. Of course, clean your lids with vinegar. This is a very fatty recipe. And use our favorite lids to get more sealings. Use my coupon code LITTLE10 at 4jars.com. Beautiful Cafe Rio Barbacoa pork just coming out of the pressure cooker. Yum! Oh. Now we have 7 more meals on the pantry shelf. Yay!